Alright guys, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on this mini pancake maker. So check it out. Got some sponges here first, little whisker and some tongs. Instruction manual, check that out. Hey, I need some help guys. Whoa. Pretty cool.
There's like a little spatula and a little mixer.
Wow.
Bubble wrap. No, it's not bubble wrap.
You get that side.
You can fit like 50 pancakes in here.
Yeah, I wonder how many. Count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, 50.
50.
You're right.
Yeah, you're absolutely 50 pancakes. All right.
Ooh. It's heavy.
Whoa. I guess we're gonna figure out how to use this thing. So this makes 50 pancakes, mini pancakes, you guys. And it comes with this little spatula. Right now, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and mix our pancake, and then we'll turn this thing on and get it ready. All right, guys, I'm gonna be reading the instructions real quick on how this works. They're gonna be making the pancake batter.
2.
I think 2 scoops is enough, right?
Yeah. Actually, 3 scoops, because it doesn't.
How about you
look
do
like
half? Okay,
enough. It doesn't look like enough.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and now
You can add some of the water.
we're gonna add a little bit of water at a time. First, we're gonna add a little bit. Just pour a little bit, and a little goes a long way. And while he's mixing it, I'll be adding little portions of water. Here, do you wanna?
Yeah.
Water?
So the water actually helps it like absorb into like chunkier pieces.
Yeah, until it's like super liquidy. Not super, but add a little bit more water. Okay, just keep mixing it.
Just keep mixing,
See guys, it's like too clumpy, so we're gonna have to add a little bit more water.
I'll put it on the like.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Yeah, I put way too much.
And it's gonna hopefully come off the whisk.
Maybe.
And just gonna add one more little half a scoop of it.
Yeah.
Guys,
So I'll tell you guys a story about when my soccer team went to the finals. So we won every single game, and then we lost. And so we won every single game, but we lost the first one. So it was like kind of hard to go to the finals, but we just went somehow. And I was yelling like so loud when I heard the news.
yeah, let's mix it together. You mix it with the spatula. I mix it with the whisk. You want to switch?
No.
Okay, wait. Let me mix it.
So I went to the finals and I almost lost, but I think I did. Yeah, I lost in the finals. That was a good memory.
Are you guys done with the pancake batter?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad. Do you think this is good?
We're good.
Now we're gonna heat this up.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. First time using it. Looks like the power is on here. We're gonna go ahead and I think you gotta put a timer on this thing. Let's put a timer on all of this, 5 minutes. And then here's the temperature. There we go. You see where it turns green? That's how you know. We're gonna bump this thing all the way up. It says 572. The instructions say to bump it up to about 385, so that's what we're gonna do. So make sure to put the timers on, set the temperatures, and don't forget to turn the power on, guys. So now we're gonna give this thing the 5 minutes to warm up. And once it's nice and warm, we'll put our pancake batter and we'll set it to 1 minute. Then we'll flip them. We'll have some beautiful looking pancakes. Then we'll try them out. All right, guys, as it's heating up, we're gonna throw a little oil on there and just wipe it down, as the instructions say.
I think that's enough, right?
That's good, okay. Then we're gonna just wipe it down. Be careful, because this thing's starting to get really hot.
Yeah, be careful, guys. You could burn yourself.
Okay.
So he's just wiping it down, putting the oil in every single little like pancake mini thing.
This is just to clean it out, and as it gets hot, it's kind of like seasoning your Blackstone or seasoning a grill.
Yeah,
you want to get it hot and just oil it first. So that's why make sure you do this part. Don't skip this part. Later, we're going to put some butter. And then we're going to go ahead and hit it with the piping bag. We're going to do, I don't think we're going to do 50, but we'll do a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe we will do 50. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and butter this up. A little butter on each of these. I'm sure there's a better way to butter it. This is just the way I'm going to do it, guys. So, hit up all these. Oops. Yeah, make sure, here, set that timer for 2 minutes, Emily. The other one. So there's 2 timers. If you're wondering why there's 2 timers, because it's split in half. The temperature, basically, this timer cooks this side, this timer cooks that side. So now we're going to throw some piping in there, and we're going to make sure not to overfill it. Piping bag is the best way. You see how beautiful these things are looking? Beautiful. So we already set it to 2 minutes, and after the 2-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and flip it. We should have perfectly golden pancakes. And you got to watch yourself because this thing does get pretty hot. All right.
Okay, so guys, I'm just pouring the batter in the little like pancake like holders maker. And it's going to make 50 little mini pancakes. And they're going to be super cool. I'm just pouring it. A little goes a long way because you don't want to overflow them or else it's going to be a disaster. And they're not going to be perfect little pancakes.
Yeah, let me try it.
Okay.
I'm going to give it a go, guys.
I did it pretty good.
She did great. Let's see if... Damien, do you want to try it? Huh? Yes?
All you gotta do is just pour a little.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. There you go. Go a little higher. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Good.
Or maybe we can use
Oh.
sticks.
Let's put the timer back on. We're going to check the ones. All right. Here, let me finish it off. Good job, Damien.
Good job.
Let me just finish these off.
If you want to use these, we can also use these too.
Okay. So now that it's,
Oh yeah, that's.
let's go ahead and flip this one.
You can like poke it and then.
It's not ready yet.
And then they use like.
Oh, look at that.
That's golden.
You can use the tongs or you can use the chopsticks. Both work. It's all right. It's all right. All right. These little guys are looking good. You gotta make sure to be ready to flip these.
Chuck it.
Is that ready?
Let's see, guys. I'm gonna do a taste test. So, guys, one is ready, and we're gonna try the mini pancake.
Go, Damien.
They're really good. They're super soft
Let me get it.
and perfect.
Are they good?
Yeah, they are.
Let's see if the real taster can test it.
Let's give it a try.
Perfect. They're really good.
Oh man, nice and crunchy.
With syrup and like whipped cream, it would be even better. Yeah. Perfect bite. The perfect bite.
Well, guys, that's the end of this review and demo. The kids absolutely love this thing. It's really fun. And as you can see, she's happy, I'm happy. Hopefully this helps you guys make a decision on whether to buy this or not. We definitely love this thing.